Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Sikho Sikhao, learning, sharing, and growing together. This is the tutorial number 3 of the Angular series, and the video number 3 is what is SPA. Okay, so let's start with the tutorial. So, what is SPA? SPA stands for Single Page Application. It is a type of web application that loads a single HTML file or the HTML page once. After that, the page update dynamically without reloading the entire page. Okay. Only the required data is fetched from the server, not the full pages. So if you have to work on the .NET ASPX, so at that time when you are consuming the API, then your page is getting refreshed and the whole HTML file is getting uh, uh, rest it the whole HTML file is actually coming in the response, right? So here in this you will not get that kind of things and your browser will also not get refreshed. Okay, this makes the single page application faster, smoother, and feels like you are working on a mobile application or in a desktop. Okay, popular SPA frameworks, actually the frameworks which supports the single page applications are Angular, React, and the Vue. So let's see the codes, how it works actually in the code. Okay, so let me go to the Visual Studio, and in the Visual Studio already I have opened the applications, and this is the basic structure where you will get the main.ts file, and the main.ts file actually the first file which is bootstrap your applications. Okay, and this is the main file, main HTML file which we are discussing, correct? So in this file all the data will get load. Okay, and your browser will not get refresh also. So this is the app root where we have um, uh, we have a HTML file, that is app.html file, and inside the app.html file you can see routers are there, home, about, contents, all these keywords and directory, all those things that we'll be learning in the upcoming video, so don't worry. uh, and let's see how it is behaving in the UI. So I have already run the application, so you can see here this is the home component where the home data is getting render. When I click on about, it is rendering the about data, and I'm clicking on contact, so it's showing a UA contact page. And you can see here the browser is not getting reload or the refresh. You can see again. Okay, so this is very smooth transition. You can see very smooth transition. It feels like you are working in a uh, mobile app and all those things. So it's actually enhance your application performance because the page will not get a reload again and again, and your application will be very fast, and it is very helpful for the users also, and users when they are using your applications they will more satisfied with all those things. And this is the end of the video number 3. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, then please press the bell icon and subscribe the channel to get the more updates on the Angular tutorial and the and other technologies also. Thank you.